cleaning the head and the area around. Operation time, approximately 7 to 8 minutes. Cleaning frequency, every day. Make sure to use F200 LF200 washing liquid for cleaning. Make sure to remove media before cleaning. Clean bottom of the carriage. Remove covers on left side of the Y-bar. Press the maintenance key once. Confirm the carriage out is displayed, and press the Enter key. Select Head Maintenance, and press the Enter key. Carriage moves to left side of the machine. Put a small amount of washing liquid into the dropper from F200 LF200 washing liquid bottle, and put in a disposable cup. Soak a clean stick in washing liquid. Make sure not to return washing liquid in the disposable cup into the washing liquid bottle. Make sure not to touch the nozzle surfaces, marked in red, of the head. Wipe off the ink and dust sticking to side surface of the head with clean stick soaked in washing liquid. Wipe off the ink and dust sticking to bottom of the carriage with cotton sable or maintenance cloth soaked in washing liquid. Wipe off the ink and dust sticking to the glass surface of the LED UV unit with cotton sable or maintenance cloth. If it's difficult to remove ink and dust, use cotton sable or maintenance cloth saturated with alcohol. Make sure not to wipe off the glass surface hard. Press the Enter key after the cleaning. Machine LCD returns to local. Attach covers on left side of the Y-bar. This is the end of cleaning the head and the area around. Check together with requests for daily care and maintenance, and operation manual. Perform daily maintenance to keep the print quality.